Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Airbnb host account suspended. So to fix a suspended Airbnb host account, first you need to identify the cause. So what you can do is go to your Gmail and then check for the email, because Airbnb usually sends a notification detailing exactly why the account or listing was suspended. Now the next what you can do is check the Insights tab and go to Listing Issues to see specific policy violations or guest complaints. Now, if the suspension is for unverified ID, phone numbers, or payment methods, you need to update your details immediately. And if you were suspended due to guest complaints, for example, cleanliness, mice, or inaccurate amenities, resolve the issue immediately, fix the problem, and document your actions. Now, to submit a formal appeal, what you gotta do is collect proof such as photos, professional repair receipts, or message threads showing you have solved the problem. Fill out the Airbnb Help Center appeal form or reply directly to the suspension email to request a review. Now, when appealing, provide the account name, associated listing names, relevant reservation codes, and a clear explanation of how the issue has been resolved. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.